Oh, I can't believe I made it to the fun fair already. Guess those warp balloons really worked.
Go, 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 go.
Wait, who's saying go? Whoa! Holy crap! Alright, well, now that I made it past that giant slide thing, let's keep going. Oh, crap. Purple. Let's go. Oh my god. It's hard. Oh my god. Hey look, it's a bigger slide. Looks like we have to go through this way. I don't think I'll be able to do that. Let's go rock climbing. Here, there's rock climbing on the other side. I made it. Now, it's a big slide. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see the angle. This is dangerous. Got stuff on my back. Mario Master better pay me good for this. Seriously, I'm completely underpaid. Hey look, fellow child. Hello, my name is Cough. What are you doing? What are you doing? Geez, mine be that way. Cave! It's nice and cheesy. Holy. Finally made it over.
What are you doing?
Hey, look! It's a kid. Hey, kid, what are you doing? My name's Cough.
I know, but what are you doing with that camera?
What camera?
That camera.
Okay, what camera? Because all I know is that there's just a movie going on. So I'm gonna go. What thing? What thing? My name is Cough. Don't poke me with that stick. Don't poke me with sticks, okay? I don't like being poked with sticks. Really? I will make you sick. I'm a cough germ and... Hey! Don't squeeze me. Don't see me squeezing you, huh? Huh? Yeah, squeeze. Yeah, squeeze. Yeah, how do you like it, huh? Do you like it?
My knees, guys.
Do you like it, huh?
I just touched my knees.
Nice job.
That's funny.
Let's see. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Doing what, my God? I'm going on this idiotic adventure.
Who wants to come on so I can do this?
Hey, I'm going to sit on this thing, and that little girl's going to push me without doing it. Woohoo! Hey! Hey, put me down! Put me down! Hey, unhand me, sir! Unhand me! I do not like being manhandled. Hey!
Guess what hand it is?
Hey! Give me back to Mario Master.
Ow.
Hey, where'd he go? Hey! Hey, you! Let's go. You stay with me. You guys are all dangerous. Dangerous little kids! Run! This is a dangerous little playground. What they call this a fun fair? Holy crap, it's coming near me! never said anything of the sort.
You say you're scared.
You know what? I'm gonna run now. A nice park bench. This is a fun fair right here. Good time for me to get away from that death child. Alright. Oh crap, it's the basketball dimension. Let's just run. Oh, it'll be faster and faster. Woo! Whoa.
Hey, look at the low table. Oh my god.
Let's pass this. Let's go past here. Okay. It's another one of those little kids. Whoa! It's messing with the squiggle table. Maybe this one's not so hostile.
What is that?
What is what? I'm caught. Are you hostile? Did you squeeze me? Ah! Running away! Hate this hill. Okay, now I made it from that hostile child. Let's just walk along this thing. Well, I've had pretty much a sleep. Oh, dang!
I'm squeezing it.
Hostile little child! Squeeze a fellow cough. You're not squeezing me. You're not anywhere near me. What do you think about that, little rat?
I see this. Please.
No squeezing. Now on. No squeezing, okay?
Use
No squeezing. Run away. Hey, look, a car. Maybe I can sneak in here. Crap, it's locked. Oh, he's gonna see me. Thanks, dude. Thanks, dude.
Okay. Nope.
Now that I'm out of that heat death trap, we got the AC on. Finally get out of here. Get back, and finally figure out where I'm going next. Let's just hope he doesn't take a detour. We need him to go right for him to get home. Oh no, wait. He was supposed to go. He's supposed to go straight to go to where we need to go, just for me to get home. Hey, you driver man, gray one. Let's cross the street, haha. Come on, red light. Wow. Red light. Turn green. There we go. Wait, where is he going? No! Dang it, I am really scared now. Oh.